Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. For those of you new to the show, I welcome all of you. For this episode, I will be sharing some key things to remember as a new homeowner. So you purchase a house, you close, you get the keys to the home, and there are things that you should remember, absolutely important things to remember. First one is file for homestead exemption. After closing, you will want to file for this homestead exemption, which has to do with taxes, okay? In many states, when you make a property your permanent residence, you file for homestead exemption that will decrease the property's taxable value, typically up to $50,000, depending on your area and your taxes. So you definitely want to make sure that your local government, city, township, knows that you are in your home as a primary residence, okay? Next one is file for other tax exemptions. Now, hey, I'm not a tax professional and this is not tax advice. This is just something that I pulled up for you to know. So when you file for other tax exemptions, that is something that needs to be done. Most states also have exemptions based on other criteria, such as limited income seniors, construction for older family members, veterans, and surviving spouses of first responders. If you have any questions about who qualifies, you can contact your county tax appraiser's office, assessing office, or visit their website and see what exemptions you may be able to claim. The next one is, this is extremely important as well, ignore mailers that come to your home right after you close. And what I mean by that is, well, not all your mail, but these certain mailers. So with your new address will come lots of junk mail. Some of these mailers might seem like they're offering you a great deal on, let's say, mortgage insurance, or they offer to get you a copy of your deed, but don't fall for them. They're actually scams. You can get a copy of your deed for free, and you don't need to get mortgage life insurance, especially off of a mailer that comes in the mail after you close on a home. To lighten your mailbox, you can actually sign up to unsubscribe from pre-approved credit and insurance offers. I think you go to optoutprescreen.com. That's optoutprescreen.com. You can, which, by the way, that is actually recommended by the Federal Trade Commission. Okay, that website, but you can unsubscribe from all these pre-approval offers. And the last one is look out for lender and servicing changes. So sometimes your loan after you close will get bought out by another bank. So if you went through, let's say, Quicken Loans, and then a month later or whenever, now it goes to Huntington Bank, let's say. Yes, your terms stay the same, your rate doesn't change, your payment doesn't change. However, it's a new company that is servicing your loan. So keep an eye out for that and make sure that you are making a payment to the right bank, which they give you notice, by the way. In the mail, they give you notice. They may even call you or email you if they have that information on you, okay? But the company you send your monthly mortgage payments to may change. That's the key takeaway from this. If your mortgage is transferred to another lender, again, a mortgage assignment should be filed in the county clerk records where your deed and mortgage is filed. So look out for lender and servicing changes. So these are just some of probably the most important things to remember as a new homeowner. Share your thoughts in the comments. Did I miss one? Go ahead and share that. I also invite you to follow, like, subscribe, and share this episode with others that may find it valuable. So I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.